Last year, RevenueCat threw a conference, but like a good one. No giant auditoriums, no vendor halls, no awkward mixers, just 200 people who actually care about app growth, talking about actually growing apps.
That a lot of them are heavily reliant on paid acquisition.
My whole goal today is to show you what we see on Android and what you can do a little differently.
We instead tried to prioritize network effects and growth, user acquisition, before we even presented them any monetization options.
And something weird happened. People actually learned things, made real connections, and then went home and implemented stuff that worked. So October 14th, New York City, we're doing it again. Same vibe, new keynote speakers, twice the workshops, the most prestigious award show in the industry, plus the World Paywall Speed Building Championship live on stage. Apply for in-person or stream it online. For more details, visit appgrowthannual.com.